Wait, what? I am so sorry guys, but I can fix this in just 5 minutes.
As you guys can see the difference, my grays are completely covered in black now, and how this happened in 5 minutes, it's a magic trick, and that magic trick is done with the help of Nisha Shampoo-Based hair color. Basically, it's a go-to product. Whenever you need it, it solves your problem in just 5 minutes. So how it works, let's talk about the application. But before application, first thing you need to do is a simple patch test 24 hours prior to the application, just for the safety purposes. Okay, to start with the application, the one I am using right now is the original black, and it is also available in dark brown shade as well. Okay, for the application, first is we need to open the box, and you can see there is a set of gloves available for the application. Just put it on and open the packet and simply pour it on the gloved palm. Just give it a gentle rub and simply apply the shampoo-based hair color on your dry hair. And guys, at the time of application, just make sure to cover your hair thoroughly for the best results. And now what we have to do is just wait for 5 minutes to let it work. Okay, after 5 minutes, simply wash your hair thoroughly in the running water, and you can see the difference that your grays are now completely covered and you have the original black color, which also has a very natural looking touch. Let's talk about the features, and the best part about this product is there is no ammonia present in the product. Also, it gives you 100% gray coverage, and the most important thing is after using this, you don't have to worry about coloring your hair for up to 5 weeks because of its long lasting effect. As you guys can see the difference how Nisha shampoo based hair color solves the problem for me, and it can for you as well. And if the need arises, you can also purchase it and see the results for yourself in just 5 minutes.